Hello folks, it's me again. Sorry about that, so I was drinking a cup of tea. Right, here we have. It's a Chinese brand, like your Parker's 2-stroke Strimmer. And this is in for repair. And I've got my little cameraman holding phone. So basically today, what we're doing is, it's coming with a broken pull cord. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the correct torque size. That one. Bear with me folks. Here we go. I'll take screws out, and just to be on the safe side, these Chinese tubs are fantastic. Your takeaway tubs are perfect for your screws and your little bits, your little knick-knacks when you're undoing an engine or stripping an engine. So that's there's another. I mean, these Chinese engines, there's nothing really what can go wrong with them, to be honest. I mean, for the money, I've not really had any problems with these at all. Only like pull cord, your plugs, your carbs need cleaning. Right, so basically, you've got 4 screws. And these are your torque screw, which is a T25. So basically, I'm just going to lift that up and pop that out there. And then just lift that bracket back, what holds the tank in. And you'll see it's got the rubber tank in. If you just let me, I'll just show you that close up. You can see there it's got the bracket, and there's the clutch for the Strimmer. So right, basically this is what we're after. So, quick drink of my cup of tea. Oh, can't beat a good Yorkshire tea bag. So, as you can see, that is just full of crap. It's full of years of dirt and grime. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a bit squirt and give it a clean, and then I'll come back to you. So yeah, so what we've done there is, obviously I've taken a pull cord off, and this is the coil spring, what's uncoiled itself, which are always fun. So basically all I've done is sprayed a bit of WD-40 in it. I'm going to get my airline and just give it all a good clean out. Like so. Knock all the cobwebs off. That should do it. Let's give it all a good clean out. So that's that. The work surface. So basically, all I need to do now is recoil coil spring. Like so. Which are a bit fiddly, these. They do take patience, but let me coil this up and then I'll get back to you. Okay, see you shortly. So, after messing and plenty of tugging and pulling, I've now got the recoil and the spring back on, which was very difficult. So I'll do another video on them alone, how to do it. But for now, let's get this machine back on and running for the customer. So we need this metal bracket on with a triangle, well, I call it a triangle anyway, back to the carb side, like that. Pull that out there. You see, you can match it up like that, the holes. So then, same with a pull cord. Drop that down, lift the plastic slightly, and then that should tuck in nicely like that. So you get your bolts. Turn the strimmer over, just line your bolts up, like so. Sorry about my cameraman sniffling, he's got the cold. Aren't you, son?
Yep.
This is Frankie, by the way, my son. You want to say hello?
Hello.
Obviously, I'm just starting out on YouTube, so I thought I'd pass my knowledge on, if it helps, on sort of an how-to on these pull cords. So we just nip it up. Don't need to be super tight because obviously it's plastic going into alley. So just make sure it's nice and nipped up, like so. And then before I proceed, I'll just make sure that the pulley works. So as you can see, it's working perfect. So push that back in, turn it over, and also as well, obviously you can see there, this is the petrol tank, and it's got the bracket, so to speak, what covers and protects the petrol tank as well. That bolts on with the pull cord mechanism. So again, line your bolts up, which are nice and snug, and at the bottom there. So that's that one, put that in. See, as you can see, don't cross thread the alloy, just give it a wiggle, it will go. There we go. Tighten that one up, spin that back around, put the top one in. Oh, my clumsy fingers. So yeah, like I said, I've just I've tinkered with engines all my life really. So big engines, car engines, bike engines, and I thought that I've seen plenty of others doing it. I mean, I've watched Musty one, mixed mowers, they're all fantastic. Butlers, the Butlers Empire, absolutely fantastic. I've heard plenty of tips off them. And Martin Butler, definitely, with this old Pledge Revive It, it's fantastic. So, nip these up, just nice and tight, not too tight though. So, like I said, that's that. So turn it back over. So there you go. Got yourself a working thoughful. So I just want to say thanks for watching my video if you've watched it, and there'll be plenty more videos coming up. And obviously, like I said, I'm just starting out, so basically just, you know, drop a like, share the video. I mean, I'm not the world's best video or editor by no means, but got to start somewhere. So take care folks, all the best.